We all get a little low on cash from time to time. For some women, money can make or break their diets. But with just a little planning and some smart shopping, your fat loss efforts can remain perfectly on track and your plate full of delicious food without breaking the bank. In this recipe for budget blueberry oats, we start with water, perhaps the cheapest ingredient there is. We add to that oat bran, a relatively inexpensive and beautifully low GI breakfast food. Next comes salt, another impressively cheap ingredient that you probably have at home. The highest cost for this recipe is the 1 scoop of protein powder, but considering how many scoops there are in a protein pack, it still ends up being economical. Plus, it's your key ingredient for building lean muscle and banishing fat. For our last ingredient, we swap frozen blueberries for fresh. Choosing frozen fruits, veggies, and meats is a first-class way to cut your food budget overall. You get all the nutritional value for a portion of the cost.